Hello everyone, wish you're doing well. We're gonna talking about negative feedback removal on eBay. In this page we have if I received a negative feedback that I don't think is fair, what can I do? You can respond to the feedback and tell your side of the story. As a seller, you can also send a limited number of requests for buyers to revise their feedback. Uh, I will give you a customer service uh, document where we will be having some messages that you can send to the buyers if you have some problems. Of course, I can't uh, cover all the things, but I covered the main things like if the buyer received the item from Amazon and mad about it, if uh, if you can ship to PO boxes and things like that. Also, there's gonna be a message about about revising the feedback. When you send the revised feedback, you can send a message with it. That's included on this document. I received the feedback that violates eBay policies. What should I do? If a member has violated one of our feedback policies, you can ask us to have it removed. Once we review it, we may remove the entire feedback or just the comment or the rating. The case when they will remove just the comment and not the rating, which means you will be having the negative feedback, but the comment will disappear. When they mention Amazon or Walmart, for example, if they're gonna say, I I purchased the same item on Walmart for less than what I paid for you, for example. In this case, if you call eBay, they will just remove the comment but not uh, the negative feedback itself. So let's talk about when you can get this negative feedback removed. First of all, about a week ago, uh, a customer left a negative feedback with the word amazing, which means they left it by mistake. So I just took my phone and called eBay and tell them that the buyer left a negative feedback with a positive comment, which means that was by mistake. So I got it removed right away. Second thing is using profanity. If the buyer used profanity on the comment, it's not allowed to be there. Uh, it violates eBay policies. Anyways, if if it's something that, for example, viral, it shouldn't make it to the platform since there's filters and stuff on eBay. But if it does, if the buyer use some dollar signs to do the S's or something like that, you can go on and call eBay about it and they will uh, act from there. So, third thing is feedback extortion. So the buyer will tell you, if you don't do that, I will leave you a negative feedback. So for example, he will say, if you don't issue a refund, I will leave you a negative feedback. That's against eBay policies, and you can call and get it removed. What else? Uh, for the item not received. If uh, if the feedback says that they have not received the item and you have proof the item was delivered, you can call eBay and make them remove it. Another thing that happened in this situation is when they open a case about item not received case. If if they leave the negative feedback before, it should be automatically removed. If it doesn't, you can go call eBay and make them remove it. Or if they or leave it afterwards, you can go and call eBay and make them remove it. The next thing is when people uh, start talking about the price complaining. For example, they will tell you the price was too high, it doesn't worth it, or whatever, anything like that. They have the option to go and look for it on other websites or on eBay itself and make the purchase from there. But since since they made the purchase, they don't have the right to complain about it. So you just go call eBay and make them remove it. Last thing is when you work with the global shipping program, I talked about it before. If something happened with those orders, if it got damaged or something like that, uh, you can you can go call eBay and tell them that you sent the item and it was received on Kentucky well because you send it to eBay on Kentucky and that the problem has occurred after that and not from you to Kentucky. I mean from Amazon to Kentucky. Uh, so you can just call eBay and make them remove it. That's being said, I believe that's all. Feedback are something crucial to our business. So you can use those tips to make those feedbacks removed. And first of all, just always make sure to resolve the problem for the buyer because eBay likes that. And if it sees that, it will help you a lot. Also contact the buyers. Always try to work things with the buyers first. Then if it doesn't work, you can go and call eBay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.